Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can use the slice and contour tool to separate a single layered SVG in Cricut design space. DS does not have an option to unweld or to release a compound path, but there is a trick you can do to edit a design. This works with a design you made or purchased. Just keep in mind that if you are editing a purchased design and you want your fonts to match, you need to have the same fonts used in the SVG downloaded to your computer. With this design, I'm going to remove girl so it can be changed to mama. To do this, I'm going to select the design and hit contour. Now I'm just going to select the pieces that I no longer want in the design. Now that girl has been removed, I'm going to insert my text. Because this is a script font, I'm going to need to adjust the letter spacing so the letters connect. To do that, I'm just going to come up here to where it says letter space and hit down. You can also just ungroup your word and manually move your letters closer together if you want. Just make sure you remember to weld your word when you're done. I'm not in love with the spacing on the design now since mama isn't as large as girl was, so I'm going to use the slice tool and move the top 2 rows down. To do that, I'm going to go to shapes and insert a square. Going to unlock it and make it into a rectangle. Hit slice. Now I'm going to insert another square so I can slice the heart out. Now I'm able to move these top 2 rows down. I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy my design and show you 2 different ways that you can finish this off. If you want to cut your design in all one color, go ahead and select your entire design and hit weld. Since our pieces are separated over here on this right design, we can actually go ahead and change the colors if we wish to. So I'm going to go ahead and change the heart to a different color. Just remember, if you do this, to weld your light colors and then group your entire design. All that's left to do is to cut your design and make your project. I'm going to go ahead and put details on where you can find this SVG and the fonts that were used in the description box. I'm also going to provide you with a free PDF to download with these instructions that you can print and use later on if you want to give this a try. Information on how to download this will be in the description box as well. Feel free to ask me any Cricut, SVG, or font questions below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.